Hey everyone, welcome back. Guys, in this video, I am going to show you another automation which is going to improve your sales and marketing process. So guys, here we are connecting Pipedrive application with WhatsApp. And guys, Pipedrive is a pipeline based CRM application in which you can add your customers, your prospects and your leads into the stages of a sales pipeline. Okay. So guys, here as and when you are going to add any lead in the first stage of the pipeline, we are going to deliver the leads the WhatsApp messages automatically saying them that we want to do a meeting with you or we want to connect or let's chat, such kind of messages as and when you add the lead in the pipeline. Okay, so this is surely going to help you guys because you have to contact hundreds of leads on daily basis to get them converted into customers, and you can convert only few of them. So if you use automated WhatsApp messages in this process, it will save your time and energy and you can focus on converting your prospect into your customers. All right, let me show you how this is going to look like. So guys, this will be the flow of this automation here. As and when you create a deal inside Pipedrive's pipeline, the message will be delivered, the WhatsApp message will be delivered to the person who has added in the deal, that is your lead or your customer, and it is going to happen automatically. And we are using Pabbly Connect to make this happen, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is, guys, anyone can set up this automation without any coding skills or programming knowledge. So guys, let's set up this automation together. So guys, to set up this automation, first of all, you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and to reach here, you have to use this link, pabbly.com/connect. Okay, and we have pasted the same link in the description as well. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so sign up right now and log in to reach here on the dashboard. And here guys, you have to start working by creating a workflow. So just click on this create workflow button. And now you can give a relevant name to this workflow. So I am giving the name here, Pipedrive to WhatsApp automation. Okay, so you can give any relevant name according to you. After that, just click on this create button and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, you will see the trigger and the action. So guys, automation work on these two things. So the trigger is the happening of that event which is going to trigger or starts this workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. As in this use case, the trigger would be a new deal created in Pipedrive application, and the action towards that trigger would be to send a message to that person who have added in the deal on WhatsApp. Alright, so first of all, you need to set up this trigger here. And from this choose app field, you have to choose this choose the trigger application as Pipedrive. Okay, this is Pipedrive, guys. Select it. And in the trigger event, now select new deal option, so it will triggers when a new deal is created. Okay, right, now then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, and here it is asking for the API token of Pipedrive to make this connection. So guys, you will find this token in the account settings of Pipedrive application. So let me show you how you can find this. So this is my Pipedrive applications dashboard, and here I have this profile icon, and here in the profile icon you will find this personal preferences option. Click on personal preferences, and here you will find this API tab. Click on API tab, and this is the key we needed. So just copy this personal token key. You can generate a new one by clicking on this generate new token button. Alright, and after that paste this key here, then click on save. And you can see we are connected with Pipedrive. Now it is asking for the company's domain. Alright, so here you can see to find the company domain, you need to open your Pipedrive applications dashboard, and in the domain name, in the URL, you will find the company domain in between the HTTP and .pipedrive.com. Let me show you. This is my Pipedrive applications URL. Okay, dashboards URL, and I am copying this full URL here. Let me show you here, and I'm pasting it here. Now you can see we have this https://papcon.pipedrive.com. Okay, so Papcon is our company's domain. Okay, so you have to remove this previous HTTP address, and here you have to delete this string also. So this is the domain we needed, right? Now click on save and send test request, and you can see it started showing waiting for the response. So this means now we have to do a test submission. So the test submission would be equal to the trigger event. That means we need to create a test deal, a demo deal inside Pipedrive's pipeline, and we are going to fetch the response or the data of that deal here inside this workflow. Okay, so I am going back to the the Pipedrive application, and here we have deal section. Let me show you. So this is the pipeline that we have in Pipedrive, you can see, and in this pipeline these are the stages. Qualified leads are here, contact made, demo scheduled stage, proposal made stage, and negotiation started stage. Okay, so we are adding the leads here in the first stage, in the qualified leads stage. Okay, so here let me create a deal. I'm going to click on this plus icon. Here it is asking for these details, the contact person's name or the lead's name. So I am putting here the name as Naman Sharma. Okay, the organization's name is Magnet Brains. All right, and you can give a deal's title. So the title is YouTube channel. All right, and the value, you can put a value here in Indian rupees, or you can select the currency. Now you can select the stage of the pipeline as well. You can select the pipeline, and the stage is this qualified lead. Okay, and the expected closure date of, you can enter a closure date of this deal also, right? And here you can add the contact details of the lead. So here I am going to enter the WhatsApp number of this lead. Okay, so this is the WhatsApp number. All right, now I'm going to click on save here, and you can see a new deal is created here inside the qualified stage of this pipeline. Now let's check in our workflow if we got the data of this deal. So here you can see in this response received section we got this data. Here is the deals data. You can see it is showing the email address. Okay, so the owners, the deal, here is the details of the lead deal owner, or the person who have created the deal. Okay, and this is the person who is added in the deal. Okay, current person, the currency value, the deal's value, the deal's title, the deal's amount, and the organization's name, and all the things are here. Okay, but guys, you can see we didn't get the phone number or the WhatsApp number of the contact of the person who has added in this deal. Okay, we didn't get the WhatsApp number of this person. Okay, so to get the WhatsApp number of this person, we need to use this action step, and here in the action step I'm going to Pipedrive again, and with the help of an action event available here, we are going to fetch all other details related to this person. Okay, so I'm going to search for Pipedrive again. This is Pipedrive, and in the action event select this option, find person by ID. Okay, so this is the option, find person by ID. Then click on connect. Okay, so why we are using find person by ID option? Because here you can see in the first step where we have captured the data, we got this ID. Let me show you. Here you can see we got this current person ID. Okay, so I am going to use this label, this ID, to fetch the details of this person who have added in the deal. So just click on connect here. From this window select add new connection, and here it is asking for the token again. So you can find out the token as I have already told you, or what you can do, you can use existing connection option also, as we have connected Pipedrive in the first step. So now we can choose existing connection, and here you just have to click on save, and we'll be connected again with Pipedrive. Okay, like this. And here it is asking for the ID, so I'm going to use this current person ID label here. So just click here and it will show you this Pipedrive option in the drop down, and from here only you can see all the data that you have received from the first step as the test data. From here map this current person ID. Okay, then click on save and send test request. Alright, and here you can see we got other details like this. So now we got the phone number or the WhatsApp number in this data phone value label. Okay, right, now we can send a message to this person on WhatsApp, and for that to happen just click this plus icon, and from this another action step, search for WhatsApp Cloud API, this one. Okay, so here you need to use the action event as send template message option, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, and here it is asking for the permanent access token of your Cloud API setup, the phone number ID, the WhatsApp business account ID. So guys, first of all you need to set up your own WhatsApp Cloud API from Facebook Cloud API platform. Okay, and you for that to set up, you can check the links that we have pasted in the description, and you will find good videos in which we have thoroughly explained how you can set up your own WhatsApp Cloud Business API. Alright, so you can check them, or from here only in this section you can see in this new connection name token field, here it is written user generated permanent token, you have to enter as explained here. So when you click on this here text, it will bring you to the forum link of Pabbly, forum.pabbly.com, and on this page you will find the videos on how to set up WhatsApp Cloud API, how to generate a permanent access token, and here they have given instructions along with the screenshots to set up your API and to do all these things related to the Cloud API. Alright, so you can follow these steps here and make your connection, and let me show you how you can find where you can find these three things. So guys, I have set up my WhatsApp Cloud API here. Let me show you. So guys, from here you can see developers.facebook.com. You will reach the meta for developers page, and here you have to create an application, and in that you have to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API. So I have created this application named as My Connect message application. Alright, and here I am under the WhatsApp option, and under this getting started page you will see this temporary access token first. So first you get a temporary access tokens, and temporary tokens expires in 24 hours. So that's why we need to generate a permanent token. Okay, and here you can see in the send and receive messages tab, we got this phone number ID here. So you just have to copy this ID and paste it here in this phone number ID field, and similarly you will see this WhatsApp business account ID here. Just copy that and paste it here in this WhatsApp business account ID field like this. Okay, right, so guys, generating the permanent access token is a one-time task only. Once you get your permanent access token generated for your WhatsApp Business Cloud API, you need to save it, and with the help of that key or the token, you can make the connection again also with Pabbly Connect. Okay, and guys, making the connection by this process, by adding a new connection, is also a one-time process. Once you made a connection by adding new connection and fill all these things and click on save, you will be connected, and after that if you want to connect again, you just have to use this existing connection option, and now you can choose any existing connection from this list, like I am choosing here this one, final one. Okay, and now you just have to click on save, and you will be connected again with your WhatsApp Cloud API without filling any of the three things. Okay, right, now it is asking for the templates name. So we need to create message templates first inside Business Cloud API of WhatsApp, and with the help of those templates we are going to send the messages. So let me show you. Here you can see in the second send message with the API step, here it is written to create your own message template. Click here. So when you click on this here text, you will reach this page, the message templates page of WhatsApp API, and here you have to create such these kind of templates like I have created, and let me show you one. So guys, message templates are nothing but the predefined message structures that we need to have to send messages on WhatsApp to multiple people. Okay, and here you can see in a message template you need to have, you can have a header, you can have a body, and you can have a footer and all these things, and the message will appear like this in real time, okay, on WhatsApp, right? So let me show you the template I am using, and let me show you how you can create your template. So you just have to click here on this create message template button, and here you can select any category in which you want to create a template, like the auto reply category. Okay, here you can give a name to your template. Here you can select the language in which you want to send the message. Alright, after selecting these three things, just click on continue, and now you can see you can add a header inside message template, and in the header you can put a text, or you can put media, you can add an image, a video, or a document. In the body you have to type the main message that you want to send to your customers, like this, hello, and you can send any kind of message. And here you have to put some variable text also in the message template, okay, because we are creating these templates for multiple people. So let's say after hello I want to have the name of the person to whom I'm sending this message. So to have the name here placed automatically, you need to have a variable tag here, because the name is going to change with every new message, okay. So you can click on this add variable button and add a variable tag here like this, okay. So you have to put such tags in strategic places, and after that you can add a footer here, and you can add a call to action button also, and you can see you can preview your message from here only, okay. So after filling these things, you just have to click on submit, and your message template will be submitted. Right now I'm canceling this. So after submitting your template, Facebook will review your template and approve your template in just few minutes, and after that you can use them. So the template I am using, guys, is this one. Let me show you. So guys, this is the template I am using, named as contact_lead, and the message will look like this in real time on WhatsApp. You can see here, okay. So I'm going to select this message template from this list in our workflow. So it will show you all the templates that you have. So select your template, and you can see after selecting the template, the language code and the ID is filled up here, and now it is asking for the recipient's mobile number or the WhatsApp number. Okay, so we got the WhatsApp number of our lead here in the second step in this value label, okay. So I'm going to map this label here. Just click here and you will find the previous steps in the drop down, and from the second step map the value label or the phone WhatsApp number label, okay. And you have to put the WhatsApp number in this format with a country code but without the plus sign, okay. So after placing the WhatsApp number here, it is asking for the body fields 1, 2, 3 and 4. So as I have already told you that you need to have some variable text inside your message template, like these I have created. You can see I have this one variable tag, second, third and fourth, okay. And we are going to place the values of these body fields or the variables inside the message by mapping the values of these variables. You can see after hi there will be the name of the person to whom we are sending the message, and here I am writing to thank you for giving me the opportunities to speak to you on this date. So here we are going to place the date of the meeting, and I have checked with your sales department, and here you can see happy to arrange a meeting, okay. So here we are going to put the purpose, and in the fourth body field we are going to mention the name of the company, okay. So these are the things which are going to change with every new message, and to get these things change with every new message automatically, we need to map the values of these things here in your workflow. So let's map these things. So for the first thing, I'm going to use the first step where we have got the name of the lead that I have added. This is the name of the lead. In the second body field, we need to enter the date in which we want to do a meeting. So to get the date, you can use the previous steps. So here in the second body field, we need to enter a date. Let's check in our template what we needed. So I'm writing to thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak to you on, okay, right. So here it is asking for a date on which we want to do a meeting, a date or before any date or given date, okay. So you can see we have received this data in this first step, And in this first step, we have got this expected closure date of the deal. Okay, so we are going to say to the lead that I want to do a meeting with you on or before this date that we have, that the expected date according to ourselves. Okay, so I'm going to use this label in this step. Here I'm going to put it like this. Here we have this template, it is saying on, so here I'm going to put on or before, and after that I'm going to map the date from this step, from the first step. Okay, so this is my first step, and here we have this expected closure date. Okay, map it like this. And here what we want to do, you have to put your request here. So it can be an online meeting or a one-to-one meeting, whatever you want to do, you have to put it here. Right, and in the fourth body field, you need to enter the name of your company or your firm. So I'm putting here Magnet Brains. Okay, so we are done mapping the body fields. Now you can check your connection by WhatsApp with WhatsApp by clicking on Save and Send Test Request. And guys, I have the access to this WhatsApp account, and I can show you how the message will look like. So guys, this is the WhatsApp account, and here I am going to click on Save and Send Test Request, and let's see what happens. Alright, so you can see this is the response we have received, and guys, this is the message we have received. You can see it is saying, "Hi Naman Sharma, I am writing to you to thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak to you on or before this date. I have checked with our sales department and they would be very happy to arrange an online meeting." So this is how it is going to work, guys. This is how the message will appear, and you can see in place of these body fields or the variables, we got the data changed here automatically, and this is the same data that we have mapped here, you can see. Okay, right, so we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually. After that, you just have to add a deal in your Pipedrive application, and such kind of messages are going to be delivered to your leads or your customers automatically. And guys, the good part is you can use this same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.